This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix cellular mobile data not working on iPhone. So you turn on your cellular data and you have enough mobile data, but you see the cellular or mobile data not working. Just follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is reset cellular data network. Go to settings, tap on mobile or cellular data, tap on mobile data network, reset settings, reset. Once done, check the issue. And the second solution is allow data for apps. To do that, tap on mobile or cellular data, scroll down, and here you will find this mobile data section. So all you have to do is just give permission for mobile data to all of these apps, and hope the solution will fix this issue. And the third solution is change your internet. Tap on mobile data, tap on mobile data options, tap on voice and data, and here switch your internet speed from 4G to 3G or 3G to 4G, and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings, and hope this solution will fix your mobile data not working issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.